Many Americans and people around the world are not happy with Elon Musk right now, and they're taking it out on his electric car company, Tesla. A protest and boycott movement called Tesla Takedown began in the United States this year and has since gained a foothold in Europe. The protesters aim to hurt Musk financially by affecting Tesla's sales and therefore the market value of the company, which is down almost 40% this year. In the US, many people are angry with Musk's unelected role in the so-called Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE. DOGE has gutted federal agencies and departments and fired tens of thousands of people. In Europe, many people have not taken kindly to Musk's open support for far-right political parties, like the AfD in Germany. It's not just protests and boycotts, though. Tesla showrooms, charging stations, and individual vehicles have been vandalized, defaced, and in some cases set on fire. Many have been defaced with swastikas, a reference to that infamous salute that Musk gave on Inauguration Day. The Trump administration has promised to prosecute people who vandalize Tesla property as domestic terrorists.